I bought this to test out car exhaust sounds, so we'll see how this goes. And yeah, I'm gonna set it up and put it on a car exhaust and see how that sounds. So we're gonna put this lav right on top of the exhaust and let's see how this sounds. Let's put that here and it's gonna shoot right into the exhaust. Let's see how this sounds. Just gonna fix these wires up and we're good to go. So the reason why I'm making this video is because my exhaust setup, after I put the stock muffler back on, I used to have a muffler delete. It used to crackle a lot, it used to make a lot of nice sounds, but it was way too loud. So I'm hoping to gut this muffler and take the fiberglass out, cut the 2 holes, put the grill mesh in, and hopefully that gives the rear exhaust, the rear suitcase muffler, enough breathing room to, you know, make some popping sounds again, because sadly my exhaust does not pop unless I am redlining it and letting it bounce off the rev limiter, which is not good. Alright, so I got the muffler gutted, and we just tack welded the cap back on because the grill mesh that I got was too thin. But my goal for this was to have it crackle and pop a little more like the muffler delete when I used to have it, and didn't get that. So people have said that it's a little bit louder. So far, initially, I really don't notice it. Okay, let's not do that next time.